In this video, we will show you how to replace the Windshield Cowl Weatherstrip seal on this Ford F-150. You'll have one of these located along each side of the bottom of your windshield. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Now this job is going to be easiest if you have the hood in the upright position. We're going to start removing this. It should be fairly simple overall. It can be done with a small pocket screwdriver. Find an edge to grab onto and you're going to find there's several rubber tabs that slide into the wiper cowl. We're just going to lightly tug on this and we'll work those out of position. There's one. Make our way down the line here. There it is, friend. Prior to installation, let's make sure we clean and inspect this area. We want to confirm that we can see all the mounting ports. Now we can install our brand new seal. We want to make sure we have it in the proper orientation. You can see all these small rubber locking tabs. Those will have to fit into their corresponding slots, making their way across the wiper cowl. You can start on one side and make your way all the way over to the other. Now when you start installing these, typically what you're going to find is you want to start all of them in first. Once you have them in place, you should be able to reach inside of this area under the hood and gently pull them down as necessary. You can also come from the top using a small pick or small screwdriver driving them in. This is how you use the screwdriver. Just find the ports and press them in. Let's make our way down the line here. Press that one in as well. Just double check to make sure you're seated all the way around. This one does look like it can be pushed down and under this area a little further. Perfect. Okay friend, we finished the installation of one side of the vehicle. The process is the exact same thing on the other side of the vehicle. After that, you can go ahead and close the hood and take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.